Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do like a productive vlog. I have a decent amount on my to-do list today. So I thought I'd kind of take you along with it. It's going to include some like organizing, running some errands, a little bit of self-care with working out, and getting together some birthday gift stuff ready to go. So I'm going to show you the to-do list I made last night. Okay, so first thing, I have a package sitting to my right here with, or from Amazon. It has some new I think they're OXO pop containers. So I need to get those out and wash them because that'll be needed later today. I need to run to Target to get a couple things and also pick up a prescription that somehow never got shipped through mail order and about to run out. And then hopefully when we get back, if those containers are clean, I want to go through like my pantry cupboard. I need to clean shelves and kind of reorganize that area. And then the new containers can put some of the snack foods in it. And then I also want to do the top drawer of the island in my kitchen. I call it the island, but it's like, because it technically is an island from IKEA that they put in there, I think, because there's no countertops. So I want to clean that out because I did get some organizers for like Ziploc bags and stuff. So I'm hoping that will kind of clean that up a little bit. And then I do need to order a birthday gift for my grandma. I want to get her card put together and in the mail. I also want to read a few chapters of my new book that I'm reading, which I'll show you that. It's called Woven by Angie Smith. It's Understanding the Bible as One Seamless Story. And then I did kind of neglect working out the last couple days. It's been like 20 degrees, which is very cold for us. And I've had a lot of migraines. So today I'd like to try to do like a 10-minute yoga and then maybe 15 minutes of cardio on my treadmill. And then I don't know why I put this at the bottom, but this will kind of go up here. I want to clean the kitchen counters and the stove top. All right, so the first one that I got here, I think this is the 2.8 quart. It says it's ideal for 5 pounds of rice, cookies, or crackers. So got that one. I think that's actually a pretty good size. I kind of wish I would have gotten more of that now. And then we got this one, which is actually bigger than I expected. This is the 1.1 quart. And I think they recommend this for like nut mixes. I was actually going to put my cacao nibs in it because the container I use now doesn't typically get filled. However, with how big this one is, I might not. Might do something else. And then this one, which is a 4.4. It says it's good for 5 pounds of flour or sugar. So this is what they look like. They're just little wooden like boxes, and they do have like gallon. I got sandwich, quart, and the last one I believe is snack size. So I thought these would be good because one, they're all the same size. Well, at least the 3 smaller ones. And I think it'll help the cupboard because then they're solid containers, they're not boxes, and they're all the same. So hopefully I can get that cupboard a little more organized, or drawer. Let's go to the kitchen and wash the containers that need to be washed first. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and tear down that box and pop all those things so that way I can get all that stuff taken out to the trash before I leave. Yeah, but let's get this broke down. Okay, got most everything from Target that I needed to get. don't know what's up with blueberries, but I've been trying for, I would say probably 3 weeks now to get blueberries, and I can't. So that was probably the only thing I don't think I got off my list. But I will show you what I got when I get home, and probably take a little bit of a break, and then I'll start on the kitchen stuff. All right, I'm back from Target. So like I said, I'll go ahead and share a little bit of what I got. Obviously prescriptions, which was the main reason I went. And I got this cute little throw blanket for $10. They had them in a few different colors, but I wanted it for Valentine's Day. So I needed, well, I didn't need this yet, but it's a Tone It Up Collagen Creamer. I just finished my other container. I try to do every other month, but it was on sale, so I figured I better just get it today while it was cheaper. And then I haven't tried this one. The Tone It Up Orange Sunrise Energy. I've had the berry one. I'm not a huge fan of berry stuff. It's bitter to me. So I thought maybe I would give this one a try. And then last night I had what felt like a split in my lip. I don't know if I had chapped lips, but I have this EOS, a different flavor, I guess. And I just like caked it on last night before bed, and it doesn't feel cracked now, so I thought maybe it was time to get some more. So I picked up this mango melonade to try. For a couple of food items, I picked up chicken cordon bleu. This is the only one I've been able to find lately. I don't understand why it's so hard to find chicken cordon bleu, but I just wanted to get it while I was in the store and they had it, because Walmart doesn't. And I know that'll make a good meal in an upcoming week. And then I got 2 of the Vive Organic immunity boost shots. They were on sale and never hurts during the winter months. And last but not least, my favorite Grillo pickle chips. Again, Target's the only place I can get it, so might as well stock up while I'm in there. The only thing I didn't get that I really wanted was blueberries, and like I said, I don't understand why all of a sudden you can't find blueberries anywhere. So I'm gonna put the cold stuff away, take the dog out because he's itching to go outside. And then I'll check in with you a little bit when we get started on the next thing on the task, but we can cross this one off. It's about noon. It took a longer break than I thought. Ate lunch and stuff. Got my cold coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and start over here with this island drawer. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And I think I need to do a little more work than I thought. So here's where I keep like silverware, little condiment things, which I never use. All of the Ziploc bags, which again, we're gonna put into these. Hopefully the reusable bags will fit in there too. And then like plastic wrap, saran wrap, that kind of stuff. The thing I didn't realize is how much grime was down here on the bottom. And honestly, I did not realize there was so much dog hair in here. So I think we need to get all the silverware out of here, wipe this down, probably kind of vacuum up the bottom of this and then reorganize and put everything back in. So I'm going to start by pulling everything out and get this part cleaned first. Okay, this drawer is done as much as it's going to be, but let me show you what the final product looked like. I would say it's a lot better. I do like these create more structure for these, and they're all the same size, so it's not all odd shaped. Obviously, I'm going to add more aluminum foil and parchment paper because I'm running low. These bags I'm just going to leave here. I may even lay them flat. I don't know. Slow cooker liners, definitely want those. And then over here, the big change I made is I moved all these teeny tiny spoons and knives out of here so I can put straws, because I actually have a package of reusable straws that I plan to start using this year. But I'm trying to finish using up the throwaway ones before I open those up. So, but once I do open them, then I have a spot to put straws. But as you can see, it's much cleaner, no dog hair. So overall, I will say I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's much, much better. All right, next up, we're gonna kind of tackle this cupboard over here. This is what we call my pantry. It's literally 2 shelves in this cupboard. I entirely do not feel like this is enough space, in all honesty. And I've done my best periodically to keep it cleaned up so it's a little more functional. It does need a good wipe down. Some of these containers need to be cleaned up and refilled. Some need to be thrown out and like emptied and thrown out. And then you saw earlier, I did buy some new containers for some things. I want to try to put like chips and pretzels and stuff in the containers. That way, maybe, I don't think it'll happen, but maybe we can put them up here in the cupboard. But yeah, reorganize, kind of take an inventory of what I need to replace by purchasing when I go grocery shopping this week. I would say we're done with what I'm going to do in here for now. It looks better. I definitely need to do a restock of some of my pantry items. And I think I need to get one more OXO container. Okay, so here I did have to throw out one canned item. It was well past expiration and it was a can of soup, so I figured I better replace it. I need to get more diced potatoes, another can of soup, just in case you get sick. It's always good to have it in the cupboard. Everything else I think we're okay on right now, but I may just get like 1 or 2 just to have. This is extra pasta that does not go in any of these containers, and that is usually angel hair, which I do need to get more of. And then I got my basket with my Cliff Bars, snack bars, that kind of stuff. Over here is some miscellaneous like marshmallows. There's salted caramel chips. And in these, I'm just going to leave here for now because they're not opened, and I won't open them until I eat some of the other stuff. That way I'm not wasting. You come up here, I got like a Jif mix, rice, pasta, and then French fried onions, just random dinner items. Decided to take the crackers out of the box, which makes sense when they're the little snack wrapped ones. I got honey roasted peanuts back there. This is all just oatmeal packets from Trader Joe's. Again, they are my favorite and the only ones that kind of keep me tided over. So here's the new OXO containers. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to use this one for yet. I could see putting nuts or a trail mix in it maybe. But again, these I think need that size container, so I may invest in one more of these. Pancake mix, I refilled the granola, cacao nibs, and then what I ended up doing is I put the chia seeds at the back and shaved almonds behind this one. Those are things that I tend to use a lot more in the summer, not so much in the winter, so I figure I might as well put the winter items towards the front. So again, here's just kind of a brief overview of the whole thing. All right, now that that is done, okay, so a few things I need to do. There's a couple things that need to come out of the fridge that I need to throw out. And then I can make a run to the trash can with that. I also have all of these boxes that need to go outside. This needs to be thrown out. A couple of dishes that need to be finished, dried, and tidied up. Also get out the spray so I can wipe counters and the stovetop off. And then that takes care of the kitchen. So let's get started on taking everything out of the house and cleaning up. So as you can see, I've done pretty much everything on here. A few chapters in my book, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. I may or may not work out. We're gonna see how I'm feeling later on. But pretty much did everything I wanted to do on my list. So I do hope that everybody enjoyed. Maybe it helped you plan to organize something. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.